Kani gadu dashin Meghalaya bangi pediang saubhai pi baro shakani ka thup khubor meta ka janmit shwaban phaj ki khubor ki babnia ngenya pet shwai ki mat bakong san. On sedang ka high level panel bantokit ya kajing hab kaling sun Air India ha Ahmedabad lap ka Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau ya ka black box sedang kidiu syang pang ka forensic ban penlong ya kajing tokit ka babnia. Penkre ka Meghalaya BJP nakabenta ka election 8,000 pupra penbena ya kinongkit kam bathamai. Penyaso ka UDP bat ka komiti rel khot ya kijing ya kren ka babiang. Bat hiar thma kala ka Iran persya ya ka Israel daki namding hadien kajing klan jong ka jing ya kan art. Ki khubor ki babnia ka sarkar pedeng kala thau ya ka high level multidisciplinary committee bantokit ya ka jinghap ka lingsun jong ka Air India ha Ahmedabad ha ka ba ka jingyap kala poi sha ka arspa san pusawngut ka Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau kala lap ya ka black box ha ka ba kiriu shampang jong ka forensic kila penlong ya ka jing tokit ka babnia ban lap ya ka daw jong ka jinghap jong ka te ka lingsun.
And from the ministry, taking utmost seriousness of the incident, the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, which was formed specifically to look into the accidents that happen around aircrafts, was immediately mobilized, and the GO team from the AIB, including 5 members, constituting DG AIB, was also immediately rushed to the site to start the investigation process. And since day one, within hours itself, the AIB has started its process of investigation. And yesterday, they have added 2 more members to the investigation, one from the forensics team, one from the medical team. And they would be doing it in future also as necessary. Whichever expert is required, they will be adding them to the investigation.
U President ka BJP ka Jilla u Rickman G. Momin ula pentikna ba u National President jong ka seng BJP u JP Nadda ula minjur ya ka thup thamai jong kinongkit kam jong ka Jilla dak babatha ya ki ban penklan ya ka seng na du tenrai kinongkit kam bathamai ki kinthup ya u Bernard and Marak bat u Anil Hajong kum ki State Vice President nakabenta ka Tura, katba uba Lakhon Biam nakabenta ka West Giant Hills, bat Dr. Benedict Lingdo, bat Ubipen Pradhan nakabenta ka Nongba Shillong. Halor ka jingedey jong ka BJP bat ka NPP umomin ulapen pau ba kanu ka rai kan syong ha ka jinglong nongyalam ka seng kemi namar ba ka NPP ka danglong ka benta jong ka NDA. Ula pediang sngobha ki MLA barim ki bakwa banya so bat ka seng. Haba bishar bania ya ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ula ong ba ka tre kambha. Katba ka komiti jong ka seng ka batokit ya ki jingkenno ti dewyong kalabu ban IT shu ya ki kaipot ki badang lam.
No, that depends on the central leadership because since NPP is alliance with the BJP, so it will be the NDA. So NPP is still with the alliance with us. The Chief Minister is really working hard, and as a part of the government, we are also supporting them in every whatever we can do it. So I think the government, this NDA second is working very perfectly okay.
Ka United Democratic Party kalaya so bat ka komiti jong ka sarkar Jilla halor ki linti rel da ka ba pinskem baya ka nongrim halor ka project linti rel klem daya kren bania ka long ka bom don jingmut. Unong yalam ka UDP uba medba lingdo ula pentikna ya ka jingya shimbenta jong ka seng da ka ba penpau ba ka komiti kan bishar bania ya ki jing ai jingmut na baro ki badon benta shwaban shim ya ka no ka rai. Uba lingdo ula pensyai ba ompat don jingya lang hadu menta ka ba penslam ya ka jingya chaprang. Haga juga por ki seng kaliang persya kentup ya ka Congress, ka VPP bat ka TMC, kila kentat banya shimbenta, wala ka sarkar kadang persyang ting ban pensngau thu ya ki, banya don benta lang ha ki jing ya kren.
not only the committee members, but others who are the stakeholders will also be taken into consideration. Their views, their opinions will definitely be heard, and before the government takes a final call. So at this juncture, the committee has not even sat for once. So I think to say we are opposed or we support, I think that it will be inappropriate.
Urang ba snong ka snong kli snong u Dr. Shembhalang Kharwanlang ulapen pau ya kajing sngokia halor kijing kenno baka District Medical and Health Office DMHO kam shim la la ban bat ya kajing ate ha kabia day bat kajing thungkam ha Ayush Hospital u Dr. Kharwanlang ulapen pau baka snong kala ai jaka na kabenta ka hospital katkum kijing kular ban penrung kam ken thop ya kinong pen khuoj bat kinong yarap haki ward ken let kinong shong snong Henry wat hapreng kijing pen kan mau kajing mi na kajing penrung kam shim la pau bah nyopo na kashispa kide kitrai snong ka snong menta kalapan jing shai na ka office DMHO.
Since the Kanika close Panrio, since the Klishnong village donated the land free of cost to the government for construction of integrated 50-bedded Ayush hospital, local candidates within bracket Klishnong shall be given first preference for any post as found suitable for them. The honey kawan terkenal suitable. Tekamut nak kain suitable, tekamut baru kai kinong song jongi kidan bentah kan ya kebun kikam. Penginya kalian bayi di kampung pun keret baru kai dapat hadai kinong suitable. Yung kilong fit. Dalam fit, dalam ibadah kam teknikal tu dalam doktor kinas tapi dia belum balong fit, belum qualified. Dari kebalong suitable kemudian apa? Kini food grade, kembali cokidar, MTS, nanti kini cleaner, ward boy, ward girl, itu baru kayak nilai yang coba senang macam
Kador bar snong jongko shang ling kalakhang ya kajaka bread nyut namar kajing sma bom la sha na kajing penlang jabo klem akor kabakta ya ki yeng bat kinong shong snong ki ba marjan ka sinjuk kirang ba snong ringkat bat kador bar snong shang ling kila jurip ya kate kajaka bat kila pentikna ba kidon kijing ma ki bajur bat ki bakta ya ka khuit ka suba ka kinhon jurip kala lap ya kijing e ki ba kraw shaphang kajing kot jing khia jong ki marbam bat ka namar kajing bread pathari ki jabo kajaka bread jabo kandang khang hadu baka sorkar kan penbiang ya kalat ban lat na kajing bread pathari ki jabo kajing khang kalakta jur ya ki snong ki thau ki hospital bar ki karkhana kabla penlong ya ka sor bandu ya kajaka bread jabo balabu kerpang
ka jingkeli ka ba ngi kum ka dorbar snong ngi kwa banbu sya ki bor ki badai pek lane ki ba peniat ki ba maintain ya kane ka solid waste management plan ba barok si kata syai fija na kaliang ka jungi ngila ut ngila nam la bun sin ya ki bor peniat henrei omdon ba patiau omdon ba ngap ya kata ka jingyam ka jingleniar ya kata ka jingsosat ka bangi kinong sunong ngimat depan menin kesmi endang ngila khang kisawan mi tingibu kane ka jingkeli barok si kata bele pi amat la lane pi kelut pi mios ngau ya kata kajing dawa kijungi tang arsngi menin ngikang kilawan ut wan yamba ka sor nong po kan sesma yutung ngimdon jaka berat teperkan mepi mangi hang ne daki posnya menta kai ka benja yangi kane kajing thenyut pathar ka jungki ka penkenru ya ka anju ka NGT hakaju ka por kalong ka jing lebeng ya ka mei meriang
Menteri Ketenat Petroleum and Natural Gas jongka Sarkar Pedeng Hardip Singh Puri ula pentikna bake India ka don ya ka pniang ka babiang na ka benta ki benai banwan wat ha pedeng ka jing klan jongka jing ya kan at ha ka perthai hadien ka jing hiar thma jongka Israel ya ka Iran Upuri ulapan bena ya kani hadien ke jingalang bishar benia bat u secretary ke petroleum bat ki kli do jong ki dong penyaj pniang da ka ba pen pau ya ka but trekam jong ka India ban pentikna ya ka jing don pniang ka jingla ban siu bat ka jingla ban penne pensa da ka ba pen biang palat prapo na ka shispa na ka jing don kam pniang jong ka India lengba ka jingwan ra nabar ka ba shongdor shispa sanpo billion dollar man la usnem u menteri ulapen scam biang ya ka jing kular jong ka sarkar ban pen biang pniang. Katanat Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare nin kesngi kala penlong ya ka National Conference halor ka AgriStack Turning Data into Delivery hanong ba Delhi. Kani ka jingalang kalong kumshi benta ban ay ya ka rinsan na ka benta ki officer rangba ki ban ka sarkar pedeng bat ki nong don benta na ki sarkar jilla banyak ren halor ka jing kiyo shaprang ki jing bat ki jing ya linti ban pentrekam ya ka AgriStack hapo ka Digital Agriculture Mission. Haga jingalang u secretary jong katanat ka rep ka riang u Devesh Chaturvedi ula banjur halor ka jingla jong ka sarkar ban pentrekam ya ki core technology na ka benta ka khuit ka suba bar ka jing pai khmat khamtam sha ki nong rep. Ka Iran kala penlong ya ka jing her thma kala persha ke Israel haka miet jong ka sngi tho ding da ka ba pen her ki spa tali ki namding bat ki drone sha ki nong ba jong ka Israel haka ka ba ki khot ka operation severe punishment haka ne ka jing her thma la pen sawa ya ka siren bat ka bla penlong ya ki million ngut ki pat ba jong ka Israel ban petri na ka daw jong ki jing bthai bom haki jaka ba pau kom ka Tel Aviv bat ka Jerusalem. Kajing hiar thma jong ke Iran kala long hakikat tu ka ne ki kinta hadien ba ke Israel kala hiar thma ke Iran hakini ki snem bala let ban ther bom haki jaka nuclear bat ke bla shimru ya ke jing em jong ki he commander ki bor bade khmi jong ke Israel ki lapen bana ya ke jing don kam bakirki habaro ka we kari namar ba ki rukom ya da sun ki la shem jing banyakhun bat ban te la kam ya ke jing bthei bom Hakabia day bat kani u President ka US u Donald Trump ula ai jingmut baka jingle jong ka Israel kala ban plelat ya ka jingate nuclear bathamai bat ka Iran. Menteri Katanat Civil Aviation u K. Ram Mohan Naidu hene kesngi ula pentip baka Directorate General of Civil Aviation DGCA kala hukum ban khmi benia ya baro ki lengsun 34 Boeing 787 ki badan menta hakakin hon lengsun India ula ong ban nakine baro pratali la de ban tokit benia Mardor habakren shikilat pathai khubor hanong ba Delhi hene kesngi une menteri ula pentip balathong ya ka high level committee ki ba shemphang ban tokit halor ka jingjia badang shen.
But even when the incident happened, we also felt that there is a need to do an extended surveillance into the Boeing 787 series. So from the DGCA, we have also given an order to do the extended surveillance for the 787 planes. There are 34 in our Indian aircraft fleet today. I believe that 8 have already been inspected, and then with immediate urgency, all of them are going to be done. And furthermore, as the investigation is going to proceed and the report is going to come, whatever necessary steps are needed to be taken, we are going to ensure that without any hesitation, we are going to
man kasun menang hatura ka jing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius bar ka jing shit kalong 40 degree Celsius ka jing sengam ka haw menta ka singi kalong nyau pusau na ka shispa ka jing hap slap kalong 9 millimeters haba phai pat chakanong ba shalong ka jing kriat kalong khat pra 0.20 degree Celsius bar ka jing shit kalong 0.1 degree Celsius ka jing sengam ka haw menta ka singi kalong khandai pho na ka shispa ka jing hap slap kalong khat lai 0.r millimeters kat ba hajowai pat ka jing kriat kalong khat khandai degree Celsius bar ka jing shit kalong 0.20 degree Celsius ka jing sengam ka haw menta ka singi kalong pra pho na ka shispa ka jing hap slap kalong khat lai millimeters Kalaban don ka jing hap slap ka ba malumala haringkat ka jing tiet upertat hakikat to ka negi jaka jong katura jowai bat shilong. Te parlok atung ila poi syaka bakut jong katup kubor jengi mentaga janmit hadu bang dia syambiang bat pila syai kasngi kublei pi baro.
Everyone else, the accident that has happened near Ahmedabad airport shook the entire nation. And my deepest condolences to all the families who have lost their loved ones in the incident.